To ensure consistently good shielding performance, the filter of an air curtain should be cleaned at least twice a year, or more frequently depending on the amount of dust. This is not only important for hygiene reasons. Over time, a dirty filter becomes clogged with dust and dirt particles, reducing the air supply. The air curtain can no longer breathe properly. The consequences are a loss of performance, increased operating noise, and unnecessarily high energy consumption. In the long term, a dirty filter can also cause damage to the device. Filter maintenance is particularly easy on Teddington air curtains. First, use a screwdriver to unlock the filter flap and open it carefully. Depending on the model, the filter flap can also be opened without tools. Then, pull out the filter by the wire rope. It is only fixed to the frame with 2 clamps on the left and right. Now, carefully vacuum the filter with a vacuum cleaner. If the dirt cannot be completely removed, the filter must be replaced. Then, reinsert the filter into the guide rail and press it all the way in. Make sure that the 2 clamps are pushed onto the frame plate and securely fix the filter in place. Finally, close the filter flap and lock it again.
Teddington.